Hvad, hvis du skal sætte ord på det, har sygdommen taget for dig?
Den har jo taget min kone. Og og så har den jo også taget, det var begyndt at tage min livsgnist.
Biwa Bartolomeoson's wife has Alzheimer's disease. This is an illness that gradually takes over the brain by affecting senses, personality, and memory. Like many other Alzheimer patients, Annetta doesn't recognize her loved one anymore.
It's a neurodegenerative disease. It's age-related. That is to say, the older you are, the more likely you are to get it. The cells, the nerve cells inside of the brain die. Think of a computer picture in which you're removing pixels, that the picture gets more and more grainy and then eventually just disappears.
For Annetta, the picture started disappearing about 8 years ago.
Første præg, det var i 2003. I slutningen af 2003. Og det var faktisk hendes kollega, der gav præget. Hun lavede en hel masse grammatiske fejl i hendes engelsk, som altid har været perfekt.
Language breakdown is just one example of an Alzheimer's symptom. There are 3 stages of the disease, and each patient progresses through them at a different speed. By the time people with Alzheimer's reach Annetta's phase, they are unable to function on their own. They'll need help for even the simplest tasks, like putting on a coat.
The healthy relative becomes sick, so they need support from somebody else. They can't manage alone. It's really 24 hours a job, and we are not the Superman or Superwoman.
Dementia is present in 1 out of 7 families in Denmark. So what does it mean to have a family member who has the disease?
Jeg bor alene nu og har været ved at gå ned med stress, og det er det betyder.
Hvordan får du så styrken til at fortsætte?
Jeg er ikke altid klar over, hvor jeg får styrken fra. Men jeg har den jo nok inden i mig. Men det kan være svært.
The illness is the 5th leading cause of all deaths in Denmark and the most frequent cause among all brain diseases. So far, there is no cure.
Right now, there are very few medicines that can do more than just help for a very short period of time. Right now, the prognosis for Alzheimer's patients is a constant decline.
Annetta won't get better, but Biwa still sees her twice a week when he visits her. Even though she won't remember his visits, he'll keep going.
Det er ikke et afsluttet. Det er den der, hun dør. Ja, så er det afsluttet kapitel. Ja. Jeg vil ikke sige, at jeg får det bedre, og det gør jeg højst sandsynligt ikke. Jeg får nok en nedtur igen. Men der kommer jo det punktum, som er så forbandet nødvendigt, at man har som menneske, for at kunne komme videre. Hej Annette. Må vi have et klem? Hvad? Var det dejligt?
Hvad er det nu?
Ja.
Ud.
Ja.